nakita ito ng Malacanang. They were alarmed. A committee that's not supposed to work was actually working because of the help of people from the government. It was working. They were shocked. Wait, bakit meron naiimbestigahan? Wait, bakit may nakikita? Wait, bakit may tinuturo? That's not supposed to happen. So ano nangyari? Panic mode ang Malacanang. They have to remove Mayor Magalong because they were only keeping him close. They were only keeping him close. Gusto lang nilang nandyan siya. Mabantayan nila siya. Pag nandyan siya, wala naman siyang magagawa dyan. Wala naman siyang tao. Wala naman siyang pera. Pero people were helping. Especially the CIDG and the PNP.